Hi, I'm Dave from Hector's Smokehouse. Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're a first-time visitor, I hope you enjoy the channel and press the subscribe button down at the bottom. Today I'm going to be making a bourbon bacon jam. Very simple to do, takes around about an hour altogether, 45 minutes cooking and 15 minutes of prep, but it's a fantastic condiment, really tasty. And we're going to use it today with making a burger, but you can also use it with a toast as a spread. You could use it with an egg sandwich, so that's what my son actually did today, which was quite funny. Could use it with potato, in a baked potato or something like that, but it's just a fantastic, tasty condiment. So very simple to do, real easy. I'll go through all the instructions. If you enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you could see from the video, very simple and easy to do, just takes a little bit of time, up to about an hour to actually prep it and make it and let it reduce. But it's absolutely delicious. I have some here. This is the bacon jam that I made. I'll give it a little taste. Oh wow, that's fantastic. You can taste the crispy bacon in there, and the onion is really strong. But then you can taste things like the bourbon. I can definitely taste the kick of the cayenne on the back of my throat as well. It tastes wonderful. We're making burgers tonight, so these are going to go on the burgers. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again soon.